Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the audio of your AI video using 11 Labs. So you are just going to create your AI video first using whichever platform you'd like. You're then going to go to CapCut, or you're just going to you're going to go to CapCut and you're just going to extract just the audio and you're going to export just the audio only. And then you're going to go to 11 Labs and you're going to go to voice changer here. You can upload the video here, the audio, or you can record the audio now. So I'm just going to actually record the audio now. So let me just enable the microphone, select allow. I'll just start. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your voice using AI. So here you'll need to, generate the speech. I don't know if I have. Okay, you'll also select the voice that you want. There's Alice, Aria, Bill, Brian, Callum. You can view all as well here. Charlotte, you can play the audio and see what it will sound like,
Dreams come true.
Oh dear God. Okay, then I guess you're going to select it.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
Let's do Alice. I don't know if I have credits for this, but you're then just going to select generate speech here. You can select the model and style exaggeration and whatnot. Let's see if this works. Oh.
Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your voice using AI.
Okay, that's what it sounds like then. This is my voice before. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Oh.
Hey guys.
Oh, let me try
and
to.
welcome back to this channel.
Hold on.
Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
Let's do the male version.
Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your voice.
I even sound still like a girl. Not a girl, but it's a high pitch. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.